Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi not showing in settings fix on Windows 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Open WLAN Auto Config. Change startup type to automatic, apply, start the service, click OK. Second method is type device manager in Windows search bar. Click device manager. Click and expand network adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click update driver. Click browse my computer for drivers. Select your Wi-Fi model, click next. Third method is type device manager in Windows search bar, click device manager. Click and expand network adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click uninstall device. Restart system. Fourth method is type device manager in Windows search bar, click device manager. Click and expand network adapters. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click properties. Click power management tab, uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Fifth method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space winsock space reset. Type netsh space int space ip space reset. Seventh method is type msconfig in Windows search bar. Click System Configuration. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. Click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.